this is not the end. I have two good news for you. The first one is this is not the only lecture in the course. We have 9 lectures explaining on a TE simulator how to manipulate the transesophageal probe, how to control the image, how to do the normal transesophageal echo exam, and then we'll go for pathologies for the tricuspid valve, mitral valve prolapse, para-valvular leak, aortic root aneurysm, and so on. So this course is covering most of the practically important topics in transesophageal echocardiography based on TE simulation. The second good news is this course is totally free, open access course for everybody can see all the lectures. So what to do in order to have access to these lectures? Simply download the CIC Mentor application that's available on the App Store or the Google Play. Once you sign up, create your account, and then you click these 3 dots from the drop-down menu, you will select Open Access Education, and then you will find the open access resources, one of them the CIC simulator-based course, and then you will see all the lectures that is available now. Choose any one of them, and then immediately you will start watching the lecture. As I said, the CIC Mentor application is available on both the App Store and the Google Play. For those who have it already on their mobile, you remember to update the application because this course is only available on the updated version. So go now to the store and update the application. And please make sure to allow notifications during the installation in order to receive the new notifications for the new courses. With CIC Mentor, be confident. You are not alone.